Okay, so what we got here is the Lexus RX500h 2023. It's now installed with the StarLine S96 Alarm and Immobiliser system with tracking. So if a thief manages to copy or clone your key, trying to force their way into the car and try and start it using the wheel arch method, which is done on Toyotas and Lexuses, they will firstly not be able to drive off, but also if they copy or clone your key, the moment they open the door, because they don't have the StarLine tag, it will set the alarm off. System will start calling you on your phone to let you know someone's got in the car and set the alarm off.
The car's condition is arm alarm system, central lock opened, engine stopped.
So you'll be notified, and also the thief will not be able to drive off with the vehicle. As you can see, it does not say ready at the bottom, so I'm pressing the start button. If it's on the brake, the car will not turn on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the tag with me. Okay, so now I've got the StarLine tag. I'm the authorized driver of this vehicle. So now the system is off and I can start the vehicle as normal. As you can see, it says ready at the bottom. System comes with a full smartphone app included, which you can control the alarm, remote immobilize it, and also track the vehicle. So if you want this installed on yours, give us a shout.